AI assistants like ChatGPT have become daily productivity tools for many people. However, the underlying technical principles remain a mystery to most. For those who don't understand the mechanics, harnessing the full power of AI isn't so straightforward. For example, what should you do when an AI confidently spouts nonsense or fails to help with even simple math calculations? Hey there, I'm Lily, a course instructor with millions of views and dedicated to creating the easiest to understand programming tutorials in the galaxy. But this new popular science course on large language models isn't about writing code, nor does it require any computer science background. I simply want to share some simple, easy-to-digest insights to help you understand the principles behind today's trending large language models. This will give you a foundational understanding of generative AI technology that can significantly impact technological development, business, and society. On the 30th of November 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT and its popularity swept across the internet. While Facebook took 10 months to reach 1 million users, and Instagram took 2.5 months, ChatGPT achieved this milestone in just 5 days. This was quickly followed by a large-scale model arms race among major companies, especially in the field of AI chat assistants. Google launched Bard, Microsoft introduced Bing AI, and Anthropic released Claude. With so many emerging large model applications, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the dazzling array of options. When technology evolves too rapidly, it can also bring a sense of powerlessness, as if we can't keep up with the pace of development. But beneath the ever-changing surface lies a constant core. I hope to use a series of short popular science videos to help you understand the technological foundations behind these applications, so you can adapt to change with timeless knowledge. After building a preliminary understanding of the underlying technology, you'll be able to gain deeper insights into AI model performance and learn how to apply and fine-tune AI models more effectively. For instance, you'll understand why large language models sometimes hallucinate or confidently state false information, why they struggle with mathematical operations, what steps can lead to more accurate answers, and how to fine-tune a personalized model, among other topics. To reiterate, this popular science course series doesn't require a programming background or prior knowledge of AI. It's beginner-friendly. If you're interested in updates to this series, remember to follow me so you don't miss out. If you'd like hands-on learning on how to use large models to build AI applications, you can also look forward to my upcoming application development course. But for now, this theoretical course will focus on helping you understand the underlying principles. See you in the next video.